All right, hello. We're here with the Austin family. We're currently at Dairy Queen, and we're trying to get free blizzards.
And I currently already got a free blizzard on my phone. You can't do it twice on your phone, so I'm taking the iPad in.
We're taking out Dad's iPad, and we're gonna try to get it.
Oh, jeez.
Currently, we have a bud going in. He is in there with Mom's iPad, and we'll see what happens.
No,
we have Braden in there. He is. It is working.
Look at
He's getting his height.
They're like,
I think she's looking at us.
I think she's confused.
He's
Look at Brayden doesn't know how to work.
He's checking out his iPad. Is it working?
Why isn't mine working? Look, the thing doesn't show up.
Lauren's is not working. It's not showing up. Yeah, so we just got free blizzards with our parents' iPads. So if you want the tutorial, just like this video and subscribe, and we'll get it up for you.
So it's been a long journey here, and we finally accomplished what we've been hoping for. We purchased our small blizzards off the iPad. You can do anything. Thank you for your support. Austin's United, we care.
See you later.